Metrics matter, but only if you can trust them. Missed alerts, overwhelming dashboards, slow queries, and no answers? That's not monitoring, that's chaos. Introducing Prometheus Enterprise Support by Ksolves, where you get HA cluster setup and management, PromQL tuning and Cardinality optimization, Thanos Cortex integration and cloud migration, alert pipelines and RCA support, real-time troubleshooting, and with that, 99.95% uptime, less than 1 hour emergency response with SLA-Backed that gives you a lot of peace of mind. Led by cloud-native experts with custom dashboards, seamless integration, and knowledge that is transferred to built-in. So stop drowning in metrics and start monitoring with clarity by Ksolves support.